Petunia plant is an easy-to-grow plant and caring only about a few things can take its flowering on a next level. In this video, I am going to show you 6 tricks to maximize buds and flowers on your petunia plants. Follow them one by one and you will definitely get beautiful results. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe. The most important thing in petunia plant care is its seasoning. Petunia plants can be planted outdoors in the starting winter days. In the whole winters, the cool environment keep them growing and blooming. As they get bigger, the spring's healing temperature promotes a very fast growth of their buds and flowers. As petunia plant is an annual plant, therefore it dries out as the temperature starts to rise. But still you can grow them anytime from October to late April days. Seasoning plays a very big role, so follow the season and temperature ranges to grow petunia plants. As petunia plants enter the spring days, it starts to bloom irrespective of its age and size. Here you have to remove the growing buds and flowers, so the petunia plant can grow side branches. This is very important to get more and more blooms over the petunia plant. In its growing season, pinching promotes a very fast growth of its buds and multiple branches. More the leaves grow, more the flower appears. So simply pinch off the bud growing over the plant and that's it. Now the plant pushes even more buds. Another important thing in petunia plant care is about its watering. Generally, petunia plant is a very hardy and easy to grow plant. But watering again and again can cause a stressed condition on the plant, and in result it produces a very few blooms, and such type of yellow leaves comes up. To avoid this whole problem, you can control your watering habits. Let the soil to dry out, and as you feel the upper soil layer is drying, then water the plant. Make sure your petunia's soil is not staying wet like this for a long time. Here your soil quality also plays a big role. If you are using a water-blocking soil mix, nothing can stop less blooming and yellow leaves over the petunia plant. These plants loves a well-draining and loose soil mix. For that you can use several things in your regular mix to make it draining, or you can make a well-draining mix from the start. All details are linked in the description box video, must check it out. Otherwise you can also buy a well-draining soil mix for your plants from the description box. Just make sure your soil mix is not blocking moisture from draining out of the pot. And if mistakenly you add too much moisture in the soil, then you can loose it to let it dry. A proper amount of sunlight is also very important to take your petunia plants on such type of blooming. Deficiency of light can make your plant pale yellowish and its shining green color will be lost. This thing affects the flowering of petunia plants very much. To overcome this issue, choose a bright sunny spot for your petunia plants. 3 to 5 hours of direct sunlight is very growth boosting, especially for annual flowering plants. Annual winter flowering plants, like petunias, pansies, calendula, dahlia and so on. A whole list of these beautiful and easy to grow plants is linked in the description box, you can check them too. But for petunia plants, just make sure your plants are getting enough sun to keep on blooming. In the early summers you can move them in a bright shade to protect them from leaf burnings, caused by summer's heat. This can give you a little more time to enjoy the colors of petunia plants. Another important thing for petunia plants is about its fertilization. In usual, petunia plants requires a very small amount of nutrition. But at the flowering stage, adding a good fertilizer can boost its growth on a next level. Petunia plants likes to have an acidic medium to grow in. This thing promotes root growth and buds formation. So to provide nutrients and an acidic medium to petunia roots, you can use compost. As it requires a low-dose fertilizer, compost can work well. Adding compost in petunia's soil mix makes the soil nutrients enrich, a little acidic and well-draining. Some of its other benefits and uses are also linked in the description box video, must check them out. You can also use a commercial fertilizer for your annual flowering plants, it's also linked in the description. It's up to you, just make sure you are adding a fertilizer every 10 days. In the spring days, as petunia plants bloom heavily, the plant starts to make seeds. This thing not only affects its flowering habit but also indicates the plant that its life cycle is over. To prevent this problem, you can remove the dead and dried flowers time to time. Proper deadheading can give you a consistent and heavy blooming, so must follow up on this thing. Simply cut off the dried flowers with your nail or scissor. So it's all about petunia plant, and to make your pansy flower plant more blooming, here is the complete guide for you.